Here's one we hear a lot. SAP sounds powerful, but we don't have the IT resources to support something that big. And honestly, that concern makes complete sense if you're thinking about how ERP used to work. Because it used to be true. Legacy ERP needed large IT teams because it was heavily customized, required constant maintenance, and ran on infrastructure your team had to manage directly. Every update was a project. Every change required technical resources. That model is gone. SAP S/4HANA Cloud is managed infrastructure. Updates happen automatically while keeping a clean core. The heavy lifting that used to sit on your IT team now sits on the platform. And with Bramasol's Qualified Partner Package Solution, QPPS, the implementation is structured so your team is never starting from zero. Core workflows are pre-configured. SAP best practices are already built in. Quote-to-cash, revenue recognition, compliance, core finance. All of it ready to configure from day one. Your IT team guides the process. They don't have to carry it. What that means in practice is your IT team spending their time on strategy and innovation, not keeping the lights on. Your finance team, closing faster with clean, real-time data. And your operations running on a platform that grows with the business instead of slowing it down. That's a very different picture from what most people imagine when they think about SAP. Enterprise-grade ERP no longer means an enterprise-sized IT burden. That shift is one of the most important things cloud has made possible for growing mid-market businesses. And it's one of the reasons companies who thought SAP was out of reach are now live and scaling on it with the team they already have. At Bramasol, we help growing companies get to enterprise SAP with the team they already have. If you'd like to explore what that looks like for your business, visit Bramasol.com. Next up, we tackle the mid-market myth, why SAP is no longer just for the Fortune 500, and why that changes everything for companies at your stage.